Mommy, she live here. Oh, the big one. So Kendra just told me that she finished early, so I can have it come down. So we're gonna go down like a whole hour plus early. So I came to one of my Christmas hoodies. Throw this. I am not a function game right now, so we're going to just go the punches.
A little later.
Okay, so I made it to my appointment. If you guys don't know, now you know. Oh. If y'all didn't want me, you could just sit down. Good morning. Kendra, you upset that Lila did my last Christmas
Yes,
dance?
because you always want
Exactly. The people that be saying you be salty on the Vlogmas. No, but not on the street. It was, I'm not being biased, it was a really party.
you know, most times, like, those kind of parties is really nice. And you fall off into it.
They said they were playing Christmas music for them.
And you know what, though?
That's my point. It wasn't a bad party. That's why I'm telling you I'm not being biased.
Let me just inspect these there because anything less than this, you have a problem.
After that? No. Oh, you just call in the phone to me. Oh.
The hand was kind of out.
Oh.
This one here was
You need more
really-
finger to cover the camera.
Better?
Okay, I think.
That's it. That was This color. Look at my nails. It is gorgeous and nothing even do yet. And this is my nails. When you have a nail tech that cares about your nails. So Kendra upset that she did not get to do my first Christmas trip. So she asked me to get
She probably them off fast away.
Off you go. Is this possible? I don't know if these are, but these are like comfortable.
What? Wait, what?
Like you can see how they Lila allow me to do a different design on every nail Kendra, okay?
I am not Lila.
Well,
Please don't tell me.
it was very much, you know, you see how the nails came out. We did artwork together. So
you tell me you want to be like Lila?
I'm telling you, let me have my different designs on the nails, okay?
Fine. Look how it looks. Fine.
Like how it look amazing like that? Exactly.
The shade, it's okay.
I'll get 5 cameras.
Friend is this white thing possible?
No, it is.
I do stuff like slightly, like cover the one minute. Next design, I'm just going to like a French one. Like that is that we
I
have.
have that same goal I just get. No.
Really? Doing gold and silver.
No.
Yeah. We're doing gold and silver.
Yes, yes. Today is a no fight me.
Thank you!
Whatever you say, go because it's also like,
Okay, we are in the process of figuring it out now. Ooh, yay!
I need some sheets.
Time. The cutlery. This one here is the I don't know why you did.
hello?
You know, a lot of these Christmas movies just feel like they're losing the plot after a while. How is this in Christmas?
You're trying to get better. Pentatonics. Pentatonics. Pentatonics.
Tickets.
Yes.
Yeah, I watched the movie already. You know, their music is the only music I really like to listen around Christmas time.
What kind was it?
Pentatonics.
Pentatonics. If so, can we see you watch me? But
No, because for like a second, I was really trying to figure out what you were trying to say. You can't touch it. It is. So it's two different groups. You can't touch it. That means it's supposed to be top coat again. You can have the extra hour. It's so fun. You know what I mean? Oh, they're not. I love it. You can't fight Layla if she gets an appointment with Kendra.
why would I? You do another Christmas set like this. And then that's just a no.
Layla? I'm trying to help you.
It's just where I draw the line. Christmas. Apart from that, you want to me? You want some?
Okay.
Huh? So you don't want it or you want it?
I want it. Okay.
We want red, rosy, or white.
You like sweet?
Oh, white.
Let me turn around. Oh.
From a mushroom? No, you didn't order yourself a wash.
You like gorgeous. You don't call me baby, boo.
Moments later.
So, nails done. I shouldn't have flicked it. Nails done. How do I? Can you? Come on. I'm gonna go home. Mommy have her appointment at 5 o'clock. So I'm going home to sleep for like 2 hours and then back down.
3 hours later.
So mommy abandoned me even though I was supposed to go with her to her nail appointment. So and then go straight to my lab's appointment, but she abandoned me. So I'm gonna meet her. First, I'm doing orange first. If you didn't see, you know this is a Christmas delicacy. Orange and sauce. Cinnamon.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so I'm heading down to meet mommy by 9 again. I'm there for the day. But then at 8 I have my lab's appointment. So I'm gonna focus on getting there on time so we can come home and God, ignorance. Yeah. Get him there on time. No, do not let him in. He just yeah. So you could come home and decorate later. So we're back again, but this time to be morning. I just want to watch it. I am back.
Just then.
I'm gonna move it out. Alright.
Yeah, boy. So this is about the only time you'll see Van running on a Sunday. Christmas shopping, and no, you guys will not be seeing me in Christmas shopping this year. No. Look at this. I want to go lights, but after Christmas. I don't have time before. We saw it. We saw it. Hey, 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 hey. Sorry, it's killing me right now. No, I'm not ready. Ow!
20 minutes later.
I'm finished with my waxing. Mommy in front of me. And we gonna go gas station.
More moments later.
Listen, she oh my god, you come meet me and mommy. Hi. Hi. What are you smelling? Hi. 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 Hey, you feel if you straight up with me, I go leave you inside the house? But we have to die here, we're dying here. Yeah. We found the Christmas tree that has not been up since 2021. And the decorations. Let's go start your hair. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. What she feel it be? Something to eat? She going up on your farm.
This.
Yeah, she.
You want the other comb?
No, I was asking if they had a comb. I think it's about time we get your Christmas tree now.
A real big one?
Yeah.
To put away.
Oh, grandma, mommy, how old are they? You had us in the bedtime.
No, we haven't. Since we by shall we hide. Since we
This
go
is
read.
that's true.
Why is I interested in Christmas shoes and I said buy the cash you think we need it on?
No, you're right. Because when I buy mine for my house, it doesn't so quick.
So you can buy Christmas shoe for this home here.
If you want to indulge me, I would buy.
Me ain't going to go get the money.
And that's $500, so. And I'm not sure. Mommy, why would you do that at the party?
I'm just stressing before it starts this country.
It's like you don't have to. Even, mommy, stop it. No, actually, touch it or shoot for me.
Let me see. It ain't coming out.
No, we could have gone to good time. She told me careful with me. Watching Vlogmas when I can upload 2. So I'll have 3 to upload tomorrow. Okay, how to go in here now?
By sheer coincidence.
From December start.
Every day is Christmas.